How to use Rask AI to make money. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Rask AI to make money. Rask.ai is more than just a video localization tool. It's a global expansion catalyst. It offers automated solutions for translation, subtitling, voiceovers, and transcription in over 60 languages. This simplifies global content production, enabling businesses to reach wider audiences, convey consistent branding, and enhance engagement across different cultures. Rask.ai can take your message to markets and tap into previously untapped customer bases. By showcasing your products and services to a global audience, you can increase sales and brand recognition. Localized videos resonate with audiences on a deeper level, leading to higher engagement and conversions. By leveraging Rask.ai, you can deliver highly personalized experiences at scale. Google loves multilingual content, and Rask.ai helps you optimize your videos for global search. This can improve your SEO and search, making your e-commerce business more visible to potential customers worldwide. Ditch the traditional, expensive video localization methods and embrace the cost-effective power of all. Rask AI can help you reduce production costs while maintaining high-quality content. Rask.ai is constantly innovating, with exciting features like lip syncing and video summarization on the horizon. By using Rask.ai, you can stay ahead of the curve and ensure your e-commerce business is always at the forefront of technology. You can visit the Rask AI website and start your free trial. By following these steps, you can effectively use Rask AI to supercharge your e-commerce business growth. So ditch the limitations of traditional video production and embrace the future of global content creation with Rask.ai.